What's up, everybody? This is Neil here with Structural HQ, and today I'm going to be going over a Google Earth fly-through tutorial. And although this has nothing to do with structural engineering, it could be useful for projects or presentations. So to get right into it, we're going to start off by finding our origin point, which for this example will be Las Vegas, Nevada. And I already have it preset here, so I'll just go right to it. Okay, so this is going to be my origin. Now, to set these little pins, all you have to do is find a view you like for instance, this view is the one I went with. Go up here to this little place marker, you select it, name it whatever you want, and then just hit OK. And then once you do that, there will be a little pin here. So there, I have this one from before, Las Vegas. Now for the purpose of a fly-through, you can uncheck it so you won't be able to see it, but you still will be able to click on it. Now, we will be going from Las Vegas to, I don't know, let's say Disneyland in California. So to go from here, we would want to create intermediate points, so maybe a zoomed out view of Las Vegas. So once you get a nice good view, you would hit another place marker and name it something so you remember. Hit OK, and there, you have a second point. Your third point could be a little further out, maybe a rotated view. And set another pin. Name it. Hit OK. And now I'll search for Disneyland. And this search tool is really useful for searching for any location or anything you actually need. So look, I'm at Disneyland, so I'm going to set another pin at this point. And then finally, the last pin will be at the entrance of Disneyland. So right there. So now I set my last pin. And select OK. So now I want to uncheck all these pins so I can't see them, but they're still there. So going back to my first pin, this is where we're going to start. And now to start recording, you're going to hit this record a tour. This won't create a video file, but it'll create a recorded path. So now to begin, just hit record, and you go through your different checkpoints to develop a path. So we're starting here, so now we're going to zoom out to see a different view of Las Vegas, and then go from here, we're going to go over to California. Zoom into Disneyland. And then finally go into our entrance. And then once you've reached your desired end location, go ahead and hit record again, and it'll end it. And it'll play it back for you, just so you know what you've actually recorded. So here we go. Now, at the angle of how it zooms out and how it moves from one point to the other, it all depends on how the points are placed. You can change your views to get a different outcome, and it's all based on preference. And also, rendering, the map will come in as fast as your computer can actually render the maps. Okay, and that brings you to your final point. So now, to get this video recorded, you'd need a screen capture software. One that I recommend is Adobe Captivate. It works very well. There's some other screen capture software out there. Just make sure you don't get just a free trial, because usually they put some watermark that doesn't look too nice. Well, if you have any questions, just leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.